Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, you're welcome to Aliah's kitchen. Please consider subscribing, also giving this video a like. So basically today I'm gonna make meat again, meat and rice still. It's called, I'm gonna mix meat with rice, but this time I'm gonna cook biryani or makibos. Some people call it makibos, some people call it biryani. So that's what I'm gonna cook today. So I've boiled meat, I'll put garlic and other ingredients like garam masala and also salt. Boil it. After when it's done, you fry it, then pour rice on top of it. So watch me and see how it came out. And I also went ahead and put those ingredients in the water, which I'm going to cook for the rice. Yeah, we have cardamom seeds, that's the cloves and the cinnamon steam. I boiled the water, then later on when it was done, I poured the rice in it, cooked it halfway. It took like 5 or 6 minutes around there. And when it was done, I sieved it. After sieving it, I then fried the meat. I fried the meat, then later on I poured the rice on top of the meat, and then I covered up and cooked for like 5 minutes on a very low flame. Yeah, so watch me till the end guys and see how it came out. I used little oil, so since we are cooking meat and it's already fatty, so it has its own fat, so I didn't put much oil when I was frying the onions, so that's why you see it's like an empty saucepan without oil. So there you go, that's how my rice came out. It came out very yummy. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Remember to always eat healthy for better health. Thank you.